Now this is the question number 4 of exercise 5.4. Lay the same procedure, same steps. Let Px is equal to x3 x square minus 10x plus 8. The leading coefficient of Px, P is equal to 1. So possible factors of P is equal to plus minus 1. The constant term of Px is sorry, this is Q, not P. This is Q. Px is P is equal to 8. The possible factors of P are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4. The expected zeros of the polynomial of Px are is equal to P over Q is equal to P over plus minus 1, plus minus 2 and plus minus 4 and plus minus 8. Put here x is equal to 1, and Px. Then P1 is equal to 1 power 3 and plus 1 square minus 10, 1 plus 8. P1 is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 10 plus 8. P is equal to 1 is equal to 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Here R is equal to 0. It means x minus 1 is the factor of Px. Again, put x is equal to 2 and Px, and we know this P plus 2 put here and Px. Then again P into 2 is equal to 2 की power 3 plus 2 की power 2 minus 10 2 and plus 8. Here P2 is equal to 8 plus 4 minus 20 plus 8. P2 is equal to 20. Okay, minus 20 is equal to 0. Here R is equal to 0. So x minus 2 is the factor of Px. Now again we write Px is equal to x3 plus x square minus 10x plus 8, and here 5 is 4. Now put x is equal to 4 and Px, and we get P4 is equal to minus 4, not 4, minus 4, this minus 4, this minus 4, minus is equal to 3 minus 4 square minus 10 into minus 4 plus 8, and p minus 4 is equal to minus 64 plus 16 plus 40 and plus 8. P minus 4 is equal to 64 and plus 64 is equal to 0. R is equal to 0, so x plus 4 is the factor of px, and we write here x minus 1 and x minus 2 and x plus 4 are the factors of px. This. Now we question the next two parts you will do yourself, and I solved here on the question number this only 8 or 7 or 8. 7 or 8.
Give me that icon, please.
This 7.
Come on, bro.
Let
Come on,
px is equal to 3x3 minus x square minus 12x plus 4. Now the leading coefficient of px is q is equal to 3. The possible factors of q is equal to plus minus 1 and plus minus 4. The constant term of px is p is equal to 4. The possible factors of p is equal to plus minus 1, plus minus 2 and plus minus 4. The expected zeros of the px is equal to p over q is equal to plus minus 1, plus minus 2 and plus minus 4, plus minus 4 and plus minus 1 over 3, plus minus 1 3 and plus minus 2 over 3 and plus minus 4 over 3. Now put x is equal to 2 and px. This 2 plus 2. P2 is equal to, we put here 3 into 2 की power 3 minus 2 की power square minus 12 into 2 and plus 4. 2 is equal to 3 the 24 plus 4 minus 24 plus 4. P is equal to yes 28 minus 28 is equal to 0. R is equal to 0. So x minus 2 is the factor of px. Again put x is equal to minus 2 and px. Okay, p is equal to minus 2 is equal to minus 2 3 and 3 minus 2 into square minus 12 into minus 2 and plus 4. P minus 2 is equal to minus 8 minus 24 and minus 4 and plus 24 and plus 4. Again P minus 2 is equal to minus 28 plus 28 is equal to 0. R is equal to 0, so x plus 2 is the factor of px. This. Now the third, put x is equal to 1 over 3. X is equal to 1 over 3 and px. Now here this 1 over 3 and this is 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 and we put here, and p 1 over 3 is equal to 3 into 1 over 3 power 3 again minus 1 over 3 square again minus 10x minus 10 into 1 by 3 and again plus 4 plus 8 x3 3x3 minus x square minus 12x minus 12. Okay, we write this three x3 minus x square minus 12 minus 12, not 12, 12x and plus 4. Now this. Now we write this p into 1 over 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 1 over 27 minus 1 over 9 and minus 4, 3 ones are 4s are, and plus 4. P is equal to 1 by 3 is equal to 3 ones are, 3 nines are, 1 over 9 minus 1 over 9 minus 4 plus 4. Now this will cancel is equal to 0. So remainder is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 over 3. Here 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1 is the factor of px. I write the so x minus 2 and x plus 2 and 3x minus 1 are the factors of px. Now this is the question we have. Now question number 8. This is the question number 8. Again the same procedure. Let px is equal to 2x3 plus x square minus 2x minus 1. The leading coefficient of px is p is equal to. So possible factors, sorry, q, not p, q, this q factors are q is equal to plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. The constant term p is equal to 1 minus 1. So possible factors of P is equal to plus minus 1. The expected zeros of the polynomial of Px r is equal to plus minus 1, this plus minus 1 and plus minus 2 and plus minus 1 by 2. Okay, put x is equal to minus 1 in Px, and P minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 by 3 minus 1 3 plus minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 and minus 1. Here again P is equal to minus 1 is equal to minus 1 and minus 2 and plus 1 and plus 2 and minus 1. Here P is equal to minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. R is equal to 0. So the x plus 1 is the factor of Px, is the factor of Px. Now put again x is equal to minus 1 plus 1 and Px is equal to then P is equal to 1 is equal to 3 2x, just 2 into x 3 and again plus 1 square and minus 5 into 1 minus 2 not x square minus 1 and minus 1. Again P is equal to 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 and P is equal to 1 is equal to 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. R is equal to 0. So x minus 1 is the factor of P. So x minus 1 is the factor of Px. This. Now put again x is equal to minus 1 by 2 and in Px, and write here P is minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2 3 and plus minus 1 by 2 the power 2 minus 2 into minus 1 by 2 and minus 1. Here P is equal to minus 1 by 2 is equal to and minus 2 multiplied by 1 over 8 and plus 1 by 2 and plus 1 and minus 1. Again P is equal to minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 1s are 2 4s are, and here 4 not this 4, okay, and 1 1 share 2 2 4 and minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 1. Here this will cancel and P is equal to minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Here R is equal to 0, remainder is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2 and it means 2x plus 1 is the factor of px. It means we write here x plus 1 x minus 1 and 2x plus 1 are the factors of px. Now this is the end of this exercise, and I left two parts, two questions. You do yourself.